What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have something very special for you. Dali. This is a brand that I'm sure a lot of you guys are not familiar with, and I'm going to be bringing Miles here into the room, which truly loves this brand. This is his home theater, and he's going to talk about it right after the intro. Let's go! Alright guys, this is Miles, one of my preferred partners in the DFW Metroplex, and This is his personal space. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. So you're just going to kind of run through why you chose this particular manufacturer for your home theater.
Okay. Well, I've been a Dali dealer for probably the better part of 5 years now, and I kind of actually stumbled across them, just like your viewers are just now doing.
Yeah.
There was another brand that had been a dealer for probably over a decade, and I went to try something out as that brand was out of what I was looking for a client, and I had was buying something from the distributor of them. I came in and spent a day listening to this brand I'd never heard of before from Denmark, and learned all about it, and just absolutely fell in love with them. So when the other brand pulled out of the United States, I kind of really didn't care. So it's set up very similarly to that brand, but they've got a whole bunch of new products like the ones hanging from the ceiling.
Okay.
This is the first. This is their second highest series. It's called Rubicon. It's the first one where they really give you the top of the line chassis. So the wood becomes part of the instrument.
Yeah, what's so cool, guys, is being audio video guys, you know, installers and consultants over the years, is you just get to try all of this tech out all the time. So we get to listen to what other people in the industry enjoy, and we get to demo it and decide what we love personally for our ears and our space. So I'll let you continue.
Well, I'm a big music guy, more so than I am the video guy. So music is my hobby, just as AV is my hobby as well. So I'm listening for a lot of articulation when I promote a speaker, certainly on the higher frequencies. So the fact that they use this ribbon tweeter, there's quite a few brands out there that do that now too, but these guys are one of the originals that use it in a.
This is a Danish speaker, huh?
Yep, Danish speaker. And then this is the mid-range right here. Even though that looks like a tweeter, it's got a much wider frequency response than a tweeter, because then you've got the 3 woofers in here.
Yeah, that's really interesting that's the mid-range.
Right. The patent on this, they have a patent on all their modules like this. They have a patent on their woofers. It's an extremely lightweight paper poly combination. Paper plastic combination, and there's tree bark in the cone, and they have a whole formula of why that is. Don't get me memorizing that, but it basically is for stiffness and accuracy of the mid bass. These are triple ported here in the back, so you have lots of efficiency. Well, not efficiency, but at least a lot of air moving around.
And they're bi-ampable as well.
They're bi-ampable, right? Okay. Yep. This is the Rubicon 8.
It's a good looking speaker.
Thank you. These retail for $7,000 a pair. And they have their technology from this standpoint starts at about half of that, where you start getting the ribbon tweeter. But even their new Oberon series, which is a much more competitive level, I think the most expensive ones are $1,500 for a pair.
Wow. And that's not bad at all.
Even though you're not getting the ribbon tweeter, they still sound awesome.
Is that like this series up here?
Yeah, that's basically
okay.
This is its own thing. It's called Alteco.
It has,
but it is the Oberon componentry in it.
Okay. Nice.
So yeah, really wonderful. But I've got some older stuff in here too. This is back when they did the Icon series. Excuse the hole in the grill. It's been through the ringer.
So you've loved this brand for a long time.
Yeah, this is an Icon 12 I should have probably dusted it off a little bit for you there. Sorry.
Hey, if it still works, it still works.
But this would be
That's awesome.
This would be equivalent to like an Opticon. Actually, they've erased that now. So now it's they have the 1400. They have like a standalone subwoofer line that is yeah, I've actually heard one of those. It kicks butt over the Icon, but then that's 5 years old, so or older.
Yeah.
My biggest prize, which if you want, we can take the screen off. Is this is a
Should we take the screen off? Yeah. Absolutely.
So this is a perforated screen, and I've got their second to the top of the line. I'm gonna get in front of it.
Yeah, let's check this out. Whoa, that's a monster.
Channel. And that's just a magnetic grill.
Here, I'll let you. Oh, actually, you
right
can.
off. Yeah, just pulls right off.
Wow.
That's a sealed center channel speaker. They're all their, except for their entry level stuff, if there is such a thing with Dali. They're all their S series and M series.
It's like 4 foot tall.
There you go. And that's their middle one. They have another one that's as tall as you and me.
Nice.
Yeah. So that is probably more equivalent to this Rubicon. It's a complement to the Rubicon. So
This probably has pretty good low end, huh? With that giant
10-inch woofer. Yeah.
Do you know what it hits down to?
I think no, I don't accurately know, but I'm going to take a stab and say it's in the 40s.
Yeah. So if you guys wanted to, you could use this speaker here as your front, left, right, and center.
And they have an S280 that's got 2 of the woofers in it, and it's rearranged a little bit different. You got another woofer on the other end.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Thanks for showing us that.
Sure, no problem.
All right, guys, we're gonna throw this screen. We're gonna throw the screen back up, and then we'll do the outro. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the Dali overview. This is a really sick brand that Miles, my partner, truly believes in, and he would be happy enough to invite you into his home to demo these if you're truly interested in the product. We would be absolutely thrilled if you would give us a call and show your support. Well, if you like this video, guys, make sure to give me a big thumbs up.